Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so on this last tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to actually save the document and what to do when you're finished. Now, if you like the way this looks, you can keep it just like it is, and the gamut looks pretty good, as you can tell. So what you want to do now is, more than likely, you're not going to want this hue and saturation because we fixed something. We're not like going to want to take that away because that looks good. So we're going to click on this little triangle right here, as you can see right there. Click on that triangle and hit merge down. Now merge that down into this master copy. So now there's no more of that gamut warning dialog box up anymore. And now we just have our master and our original copy. So what you want to do now is basically flatten your image. Go down to that little triangle that we went to earlier and hit flatten image, which is way down here. Okay, now it locked your layer and you're able to finally save your document accordingly, and it's going to automatically bring up the way to save it, which is a JPEG because it is a flattened file. And just hit save. Do I want to replace? No. I'm going to hit 1, copy 1, hit save, and now we got these options here. If you want the maximum output quality image, you want to leave this on maximum and leave this on large file. So you're going to hit OK. And now we saved our document and we're finally done with changing the sky's color. Thanks for listening.